Hello everyone, this is Amruta Donalikar. I'm a trainee at Abundant Life. Abundant Life offers a wide range of internship courses as well as lot of seminars all over the nation. So today we have Samar with us who has attended one of our internship. Hi Samar,
Hi Amrita, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. Kind of feels odd that the internship is over and we're back to class mode, but it is a good experience to sum it up.
Okay, thank you, Samar. So we have Samar with us who will tell us how did she feel about our clinical internship last 1 month we were being together. So can you tell me, Samar, how was your internship experience?
So to start off with, we had a criteria that involved us doing an internship. It was a criteria from our college that it is a 2 credit course that you have to do your internship, and there's no, way out from this. And we did not know what to do because it's such an uncalled time that there's a pandemic and nobody is going outside their house. And as soon as you think of the word internship, you think, okay, this is something practical. It has to happen. You can't just do it online. And we were like so concerned. But somehow we came across Abundant Life through your posts and everything. And then we contacted Samuel sir. And he was very kind enough to get in touch with our college and do the needful. And the scariest part was that me and my other fellow classmate, we were very interested in this internship because when we went through your brochures and everything, it was a very well put, well thought, well structured course that they said they'll achieve in this 1 month. So we started gathering students. And now the pressure was, what if the criteria is not met? What if our expectations are not met? But touch wood, it was an amazing experience. We had an amazing guide who was so patient with us. He would clear all our doubts. So Vigrant sir made sure to, make this internship a very realistic one, though it was a digital one at the end of the day. So a very great thanks to Abundant Life because I don't know, they made sure that even it was an online class, they made sure that our criteria are met, our college is satisfied, and we learned a lot. We learned a lot, even though there were no one-on-one patients or anything. I think the way everything was structured for us was amazing. So yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Samar. I'm glad to hear this, that we could really fulfill all the requirements that you actually needed. So, Samar, can you just tell me in brief, how is your experience between exactly going to hospital setting and doing your internship and doing it here virtually?
So when it came to hospital setting, all of us are not too new to internships. We did one internship last semester, and it was more like we had a guide who would sit with us. We would take case histories and everything, but that was also we were just put through it. We were like, okay, go do, and we don't know what to do. But it was such a stressful learning event, but we got through it. But when we came to an online internship, we went back to the basics, which maybe we would have missed out. We went back to knowing what is clinical psychology. Like Vigrant sir took us from stage 0 to stage whatever, and made sure we understand what is clinical psychology. We understand ethics. Like he took an amazing class on ethics and made sure we understand why we are really there in this field. Like what is our motto? What are we doing? Why are we in this field or whatever that is? And then he made sure that. We learned everything. Like we went back to the basics, be it case history taking, be it MSc, be it understanding assessments. When it was in that internship, we were just applying it on the patient without understanding the basics. Here we were brushed up, we were molded, we were taught, and there was so much knowledge sir had to share, and there was so much we had to absorb. So I think it was a wonderful experience.
Oh, thank you so much, Samar. I'm really very happy that Abundant Life and Vikrant sir as well could do whatever actually y'all needed. So basically, there are a lot of times we go to clinical setting, we work there, but we do not get what we exactly want. The thing is, we learn out of it, but not exactly in depth. So Thank you so much. I'm very happy to hear this from you, that you got the complete information that you actually needed. So Samar, can you tell me, did it suffice all your criterias? What your college
So,
actually needed, as you
yes.
mentioned?
So our college was telling that it has to be a clinical psychology internship. We cannot take up counseling or industrial or anything that comes our way. Second, the other criteria was that the guide has to be an MPhil registered clinical psychologist from RCI. So I think Abundant Life, from the basics, they kind of fulfilled giving us Vigrant sir, trying to get in touch with him and bringing him, convincing him, and doing all that work which we couldn't do it if we had to do it as students. So Abundant Life took complete responsibility about our guide, about the student, and they coordinated with us. They took regular feedbacks that if everything is being put through in day-to-day assignments or classes or everything. They were very flexible as well. The class was taken when we were free or whatever it is, because we started at a different slot. Then we said no, we wanted in the beginning. So everything was worked out in a way to satisfy all 10 of us. None of us had complaints. So I think that's you don't really get to see that in many internship groups, because apart from me, obviously we are a class of 120 people. There are others also doing internship, and they had certain complaints that this is not being done, that is not being done. So I'm glad Abundant Life did not give us that opportunity or that any kind of reason to tell that okay, this is not being done. So yeah, eternally grateful that Abundant Life came up and helped students like us, and I'm sure going to help students like us to achieve what they want to, sitting in this home environment.
Really, that's really very true, because due to this pandemic, we are really unable to move out and do what we need. And internship is something what is basically required in our clinical setting, wherein we need to go to the hospital and work practically there to gather knowledge. But yeah, so thank you so much, Samar, for being with us today. And I wish you all the very best for your future. Hope you attend lot of workshops with Abundant Life. So
Definitely.
Abundant Life provides you a lot of online seminars, online internship, and there are various courses which are pocket friendly as well. We look out for a course where we actually need a lot of things, but sometimes it doesn't suit our pockets, so we drop out. But at Abundant Life, we have that opportunity. The courses are very pocket friendly and very happening to, wherein you get to learn a lot of things and in-depth material which is not from actually from the book, but apart from the book and related to a practical life as well. So thank you so much, Samar, for being here and sharing your experience. I'm very glad to hear so much from you about Vikrant sir and Abundant Life as well. Thank you so much.
Please take at least one internship of your interest, because Abundant Life offers a variety of internships under their bracket. So you can take anything you want, which is very pocket friendly, as Amrita said. So thank you so much, Amrita, for this opportunity. And thank you, Abundant Life, for such an amazing internship experience in our home settings itself. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.